Merlin here. Well, I've got just about all the skirt segments attached. I haven't got got them attached to the very bottom on this side yet. And as I come around here to the back, the last 15 segments, which I got laid out there, have to be trimmed 5 inches off the bottom of them. So I've got to take some time and trim those off, and I've got to cut this strip here in two to form the two back corners. What I'll do is I'll be cutting these. That'll form the two back corners, and then I'll fit that section there into the center of them. You know, cut it to fit. But there you go. We're getting the skirt attached. It's a long process. This is day 2 of attaching the skirt. So anyway, that's our progress so far. I'm going to stop for lunch and then cut the middle after I eat lunch and see if we can't get the rest of the skirt on today. If not, by tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll keep you posted.